hang this long wire rabbit hutch that I made. I'm gonna hang it right on the back, and then frame these walls here, and the other one on the other side. I got a couple extra pallets. I'm gonna take a piece and stick right there. Get that done. Out here be like a run. Thinking about, and this time I'm gonna cover it with wire. So I'm thinking about get me another pressure treated board. I'll take that up. Another pressure treated and run. Let's see, one. Might do one more. That way they have a permanent indoor, space to run. And it'll probably come about maybe right here. Hook some doors. I still want to be able to drive through there though. So I don't know. I'm just gonna have to figure it out. Might be able to slide it back some, but it's gonna be heavy. We'll see.